In this video, I'm going to show you the process for saving out multiple PDFs as JPEGs. These PDFs do have multiple pages within them, and I want to save all the pages of all PDFs as JPEGs. And this was the method I used that ended up working. The links to these two websites are in the description below. The first website is magick, and you're going to download the latest version of the program. And I am going to look for, I'm using Windows 64-bit, so as I scroll down, I'm in Windows, and this is the most recent version, so I'm going to click to download that exe. Whenever I install the program, in one of the steps, there's a checkbox to install the legacy utilities. You want to make sure and check that. After you've installed that, then you're going to go to ghostscript.com and go to Downloads. And you want the PostScript and PDF interpreter. And again, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this one. Once I've downloaded and installed GhostScript, I'm going to restart my computer. And then we need to open the command prompt. You can either do that with Windows R and type in CMD and click OK, or in your start and search bar, you can type in CMD and open the command prompt that way. Next, you're going to need the path to the location where your PDFs are located. If you only have one hard drive, it's likely going to be your C drive. And you can continue with the next steps, which would be typing in CD space, and then in your File Explorer window, you can copy everything after this /. So I would copy that and paste it into here, and then continue with the next script. In my case, I have 2 hard drives on my computer, so I'm going to need to navigate to my D drive. And now I'm going to type CD space, paste in my path. So now that I'm in the folder where my PDFs are located, I have a few different scripts here I'm going to explain. If I just want to do the simplest version to convert these all to JPEGs with 300 resolution, you can copy that one. If you want to change the resolution when you output the JPEGs, you can change the density and you can change the quality if you want to reference these. If you want to create a new folder with the exported JPEGs, which I want to do, there is a short code for make directory, which is mkdir. Output is, in this case, the name of the folder. You can change that. And then these are the other settings to batch process multiple PDFs. So after you have typed or copied and pasted in that string, you can hit enter. And if you go to your window, you can see it already made the output folder. The time it takes to process all of the PDFs is going to depend on your computer specs and the number of PDFs, their sizes, and number of pages. I hope this video helped make this process much easier for you. Please like the video so others can find it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.